Let me show you how we can take a screenshot in window 11. For example, I'm going to take a screenshot of this particular window, that is a Microsoft Word file. So on your keyboard, you can see this particular button with print screen. Simply press that button and you can see this little window pops up. If you click on this downward little arrow, here we have multiple options: a rectangle, window, full screen. For the time being, I'm going to take the screenshot of the full screen. So I'll click on full screen and a screenshot is taken. Now this screenshot gets saved on your clipboard. And if you go into this Microsoft Word document right over here, or you can go to any word processing software and simply right click and paste, and there you can see the screenshot of the window. So this is one way of taking the screenshot. The other method is simply using the shortcut key by pressing Window, Shift and S, and you can see again the same option pops up. Simply right click over here. Now again you have rectangle option, window option, full screen and freeform. This time I'm going to use this rectangle form. Now you can see my cursor gets turned into a plus sign. Now hold the left mouse button and drag it like this, and there you can see the screenshot gets saved on your clipboard, and you can simply paste it like this anywhere in your document. Now this is actually a picture. Now sometimes we do require the screenshot to be saved as a picture, rather to be saved on a clipboard and then to be pasted in a word processing software. In order to save it as a picture, you simply need to press the window key and the print screen together, and you can see for the time being your screen grays out. It actually saves a picture in your laptop. Let me show you where this particular screenshot has been saved. Simply go to this PC, and here you can see we have this option pictures. Go to pictures, screenshots, and there you can see the screenshot saved as a PNG file. So this is how you can actually take a screenshot in window 11. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.